For my latest project, I wanted to reinvent the notion of how we mourn. In the West, we usually wear black clothing. But in other countries, such as Korea, traditionally white clothing was preferred. So I wanted to reimagine what a mourning outfit would resemble, and how, through makeup and clothing, we would express our grief to the world. First, you want to reach for a white foundation. This one right here is from Creolon, and it is their TV paint stick in 070. First, I'm going to spread that all over my face per usual, and give my face a good coat of it. Then, taking this sponge by Pure Cosmetics, I'm going to very softly blend that all in. I do want to make sure that the base is very even and very smooth. Afterwards, I'm going to reach for a white stain powder, and this one is from Ben Nye. I'm opting for a white face powder since I do want my white face paint to look even more opaque and even wider. So just taking a smaller brush from IT Cosmetics, this is actually a concealer brush. I'm first packing that underneath both eyes, then applying a light dusting of it all over my face. Now for the eyes. First, I'm going to reach for this orange shadow from Inglot, and also their mixing medium, which is called Duraline. I'm first adding a few small dots of Duraline onto this panel right here, then adding some shadow over top. Then mixing that together, and this will create a very nice and very smooth liquid liner. Now taking a very small pencil brush, I'm first drawing a line right on the outer corner of my upper eyelid. Then I'm drawing a very small bulb at the end. You can also create this bulb by pressing into your skin with the brush, that is, just in one direction, and this will create the bulb. Now I'm going to draw even more lines and bulbs, curving around the outer corner of my upper eyelid. And I'm also going to draw even more of these lines and bulbs on my lower eyelid on the outer corners as well. So keep on doing that over and over until you have something like this. Now you want to reach for an orange eyeshadow. I'm using this one here from the Kat Von D Mi Vida Loca palette, which is called Analog. Using a brush where I can pack on a love color, I'm very softly packing this over the outer corners of my eyes, both on the upper and lower eyelid. basically where I drew the pattern earlier. So I'm just very softly packing it on and ensuring the edges are very softly blended out. Now I'm going to reach for a black liquid liner. This one here is from anyhoo, but you can use any brand you prefer. Or you can even use a gel liner. Now first I'm going to draw a very long line, going diagonal from my outer eyelid. You want to end it right there. And you want to draw a line, going back to your upper eyelid. You basically want to draw a very exaggerated triangle on your eye. And then, taking a black shadow, I'm just going to very lightly pat that over the eyeliner. And this will also soften the look of the liner as well. Afterwards, you want to reach for a white liner. This one here is from Prestige Cosmetics. Starting from the base of the wing you just drew, you want to just outline the outer part of this wing. This will make it stand out even more. Now take your favorite mascara. This one I'm using right here is from shironuri. As always, I'm applying a very thick coat to my upper and lower lashes to make them stand out a little bit more. Then taking that same white liquid liner, I'm adding very small dots around the inner rim of my eye. This will highlight that area even more. Now take your favorite false lashes and apply them. These are not my favorite, but I'm going to wear them anyways. I need some more lashes, god dang it, but yeah, let's move on to the face now. First, you want to reach for a taupe shadow. This one, once again, is from Kat Von D. And taking a blending brush, you want to very softly pat this over the tip of your nose. We're adding a very slight definition right here to imitate the painting. Afterwards, you want to use that same shadow, but on a smaller pencil brush. And very softly, apply little dots all around your orange design. And make sure to bring that across your nose as well to imitate the painting. Afterwards, I'm going to reach for a green shadow, which will match the wig I'm going to wear later on, which is green. Duh, but going to reach for a fluffier brush and just very lightly brush in basically where my eyebrows used to be, but they're kind of gone now, but yeah, that's what I'm doing that for. Then, for the final step, we're going to reach for an orange lipstick. This one here is called Detox, and it's from Sugar Pill. First, you want to fill in your upper and bottom lip with it, in a very haphazard fashion. Just really work that in. Then you want to curve the lipstick around your cupid's bow. Now this may look very strange, but here's what I'm doing that for. In all of his paintings, all of the women he draws has very crescent-like shapes to their upper lip. There's never really defined cupid's bow, so that's what I'm doing that for. Finally, I'm taking a loose same powder. I'm using the same powder I used before from BAO, and very gently patting this over my top and bottom lip to set this in place and also to very slightly lighten it as well. And this completes my makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. So thank you all for watching, I really do appreciate it. If you want to support more videos like this, then I highly recommend you join me on Patreon. This really helps me out and allows me to create even more extravagant makeup looks and tutorials for YouTube. But you can also support me by sharing my work on any social media or just commenting or liking this video. I really do appreciate any support I get, so thank you. Anyways, I will see y'all later. Hope you're all doing well, and yeah, bye.